Tools that the bride must have during the wedding. Stuff make up the bride, and tools the important exist with her before her wedding make up the bride. It is considered make up the bride from matters the mission for every girl, and it must that care with it well. And there's several stuff from the important for the bride acquire it before ceremony, wedding with time short. Most important the stuff and tools the important to exist with her before her wedding, the most important of which is make up the bride. And looking many from the girls on tools beautification that he should that own it before an appointment wedding, where that existing make up the bride from the things the mission that no rich about her, in accessories the bride the basic. For this reason, care for all girls with a list of private tools and makeup from OK. Buy it and prepare it before the wedding with limited time. She should choose from the best brands and types of makeup that she wishes to have available in her closet after the wedding. And there many from species private with makeup that there is of which tools a task he should be available in treasury all bride, and the finest species in which no it hurts her skin. Make up the bride it is one of the most important tools that he should buy it before wedding in Egypt. Existing make up the bride, and it guarantees existing make up the bride number from the stuff, name the mission that get up the girl by using it after wedding, and that in a way same daily. And here your number from the stuff private with tools make up the necessary acquire it before wedding. Bag brushes which considered as from bags the mission which small the size dedicated for brushes working on distribution foundation and powder and others. Coal and perfume. Number from pens private with red lips. He should buying generous basis in which he is appropriate for your skin. Eyeliner. Concealer which he is also suitable for your skin. Bag or can I shut out?